name is Amy Booker, and I'm a Homeworks by Precept consultant. Today, I am going to open up the Logos Physics Kit and show you what's inside. Come join me and see two samples of how we use this kit. This is the Logos Physics Kit that pairs with the BJU Press 3rd edition Physics. Your books will match the picture on the front. If you have a different edition, contact your Homeworks by Precept consultant to help you. Inside the box, you will find most everything you will need to complete the labs assigned in physics. Some items will be normal household items that you should already have in your home or can pick up at your local store. The orange manual is very helpful and even has a complete list of supplies needed that is organized by lab number. What science kit wouldn't be complete without the goggles, cups, and beakers? Wonder how you use beakers in physics. These cars are called Hall's carts. I bet these have something to do with momentum. Oh, how fun! Here we have lots of interesting looking items. Hey, what is that green thing? It says spark timer. Wonder what that is. We have lots of tubes, 2 Celsius thermometers, a lens, and mirrors. There's even a compass. Maybe this will help us from getting lost. In this picture, we see there's a clamp, spring, 2 spring scales, and other interesting items. I wonder what the wood piece is for. We have a pulley with a clamp and a tuning fork, oleic acid and red food coloring. Wow, those look like they could be fun. Wire connectors, batteries, and cylinders. Oh my! Now this might just be the best. Do you have what it takes to complete the circuits? Make sure you have all your capacitors because I don't think diodes and transistors are enough. Oh, but you don't need those because this board will do it for you. Lab number 9, Conservation of Energy. Here we went big. We purchased this meter stick online, but wait, maybe you would like to see this one in action. Lab number 10, Mechanical Advantage. After we followed the instructions and were unsuccessful using the string provided, we changed it up. First we tried yarn. That doesn't work. Again, our experiments are always very large, so we used our favorite meter stick. We used a milk jug and paracord, and in our opinion, the paracord was perfect for this experiment. That is a pile of stuff. It all came packed in this box, so I know it will go back in. It might be tight, but let's go. As you can see, this kit brings the lab into your homeschool, giving your student a hands-on learning opportunity. Most of this kit is reusable and can be passed down to your next student. Purchasing this kit is an investment in your students' learning and can bring out the budding scientist and natural curiosity like it did in our homeschool. Now that you have seen what's inside the box, you've seen our experiment in action. What are you waiting for? Call your Homeworks by Precept consultant to order a Logos Science Kit for your student. Make your life a little easier this next school year.